Nnamdi Kanu was really telling you, don't look at the family money. On our go, no, they got big in a family. Obunko young girl, as you can do, and my class. IPOB leadership don't know what is going to our money, happening to our money. If Nnamdi Kanu, Obun or Brazen I got in Donach. Leadership, don't look money. You are the head of the leadership. Don't look money. Don't ask where the money is going to. You are the deputy. Even though you are our GOC, you don't ask of money. European rep, don't ask of money. Or farmer, don't ask of money. In US, don't ask of money. You people work, focus on working, use your money to work. Don't look at the money that Biafrans have donated. It's for me and my family. Nnamdi Kanu was really telling you, don't look at the family money. On our go, no, they got big in a family. Obunko young girl, as you can do, and my class. That is the reason IPOB leadership don't know what is going to our money, happening to our money. If Nnamdi Kanu, Obun or Brazen I got in Donach. As an island, then I check a man. I am man. Oh, you. I asked Sonaganya. What your target, your mission is to destroy the leadership. It is so right, Grandma. Let bygone be bygone. Now we are ready. Let's focus. Biafrans,
private business in Madiku.
Any moment from now, this very one will be accountability. I say, this very moment, we need accountability with this leadership. You can't sideline them. If you want to sideline them, we will destroy the Biafra struggle. You know they are capable. You know the information they have. How warrior on social media. Zone theory. You have respect to enough. You have respect to enough. No wonder I want to put them away. I'm asking you a question as our leader. Just the way your errats in ESN are asking the leadership, even though they are not contributing to the struggle, but they are asking the leadership about accountability. I am contributing to the struggle up to this day, even though I have no job. Upon issue accountability, you show your job every go na aba. Ye get me immediately. When I see immediately, your job every go na aba. Ye get me. Ke mara mo one day yesugo. And e je pata to for above. Mba.
Mutobo. Chiefogo. You see, that they see people. Or that they see people. Oh, don't only you be the only person who don't say in a private business. Like, how on I go they act surprised? What thing I don't tell us since 2020? Say this is the private business. Oh, you are just realizing. Check the registration document. In case IPOB Worldwide Limited no give am away. Now check company type. Private business. Okuya no abiye bitero ku agle umule. Izo hera bonke mmadụ. Akwa this thing go here for na esekwede ndị amena ndị yiwa. Mmadụ izo hera bonke. Like, what were you thinking when you signed up to be member of a private business? And number of, what do you call it, person with significant control, one. So why is everyone acting so shocked and surprised that Nnamdi Kanu is treating you people's finances like this? And me I no say last na still other go use on hand fire. I would, that is like an opportunity I would pay anything for. But I know say una no go even let me, no na go use on a hand fire, and by the time on eye go clear finish. No be waiting happen for their money with all the people where they follow and with open mind. How many people they use and blackmail? You know how many coordinators? You know how many coordinators where they use and blackmail? Many of them, they spoil their name, spoil their businesses. And now you can cry. Go use two and the drag waiting no be all.